this is Mr. Shedrack, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make up to 30,000 naira per month spending just 230 naira selling data as a vendor. This is Mr. Shedrack on the channel, as I said earlier, and this is Legit Car Business TV, a place where we teach ethical and information marketing business in the world. Do us a favor by like, share this video so that whenever a video like this is released, you first to be notified. Having said that, let's go to the video properly. We are actually going to look at a very specific data reseller business, which is called corporate data reseller business. It's a new business. Of course, it is not new in the country, but rather the service we are talking about here is actually new. And to be very frank, this is one of the easiest business any person can do, whether you're a student, whether you are a stay-at-home mom, whether you are an unemployed or even employed. Okay, you can start reselling data using just this system. Okay, this format I'm going to show you, and this is actually very simple. All you have to do is to log into datamobile.com.ng. It's a free website. You don't pay anything to join, please. Once you log into this website, you are going to see so many things, but the major one that we are more interested in this particular training is on how to actually resell data and make so much profit. Remember, our capital is just 230 naira as per this video guide, but you can increase this capital if you really want to boost this business. Okay, now how do you get started? All you have to do is to create a free account. Once you create a free account, you log in and of course go to the home page and then click on the corporate data. Okay, so when you click on this corporate data, it will give you some packages. There's some prices of how much each gig or unit are sold. But let me just log into my own account. Let me show you some certain things. This is my dashboard. Once you create an account, it's free. You don't pay anything to join. Once you create an account as a vendor, all you have to do is to fund your wallet. Okay, there is an instruction for you to do to fund your wallet. You just have to send money into the company account, and then of course after which you contact us on WhatsApp or call. Okay, 081 36 37 446. Okay, the minimum funding is just 100 naira. Okay, but remember there is a charge rate of 50 naira per each wallet funding. Okay, so bear that in mind. So if you want to have a balance of 300 naira on your account and you fund with 300, that means you are going to get 250 naira as a balance after you must have fund your wallet. So in this training of format, we are going to be spending roughly 280 naira to be able to make this 30,000 naira every month in this business. Okay, we're going to be spending 280 naira to make this amount. Okay, now how do you get started? It's very simple. All you have to do is to, first of all, once you have finished filling registration, you click on fund wallet at the tab at the left hand side. Click on fund wallet. When you click on fund wallet, on this place click on bank details. Then you can see the bank to pay. The account is Diamond Access Bank Unique Recharge Solution. This is the account number. After you must have paid, you just simply follow the instruction here. You say you need to fund your wallet before you can buy or sell from us. When you log in, click on fund wallet, which is what we did, and choose bank details to see bank to pay, and instruction to follow after making your payment. We accept cash deposits, mobile transfer only. We charge 15 naira per wallet funding. To upgrade your account to withdraw your referral earnings cost 1,000 naira. Cost you 1,000 naira on time. For issue or complaint, call or WhatsApp us on 081 36 37 446. So that is actually the process, which of course I'm walking you through now. So once you must fund your wallet, you now have money in your account. And once you have money in your account, you can then vend products. Okay, vending means that you can then buy products. Now we are looking at you to resell this product to make profit, isn't it? So I have funded my account already with 260 naira. And then how do we start? It's very simple. Once you have found your wallet, there's two ways you can click the tab of the site, or you click on services. Once you click on services, it will take you to the service sections where you see all the list of services, okay, available. The one we are going to work with, or we are going to buy in this training guide, is on corporate data, MTN corporate gifting. To check balance, you dial this, so you click on this particular product. Okay, once you click on this product, you will see something that it says MTN corporate gifting. To check your data balance, MTN, you dial this, N2 3% cash back as a user, refer and earn 5% per purchase, API user gets 5% discount. Okay, so what it means is this, that I'm going to be earning 2% of whatever the price may be here. So I will click on this place, and then I'll select a gig. Okay, I'll select a gig I want to buy. This is 1 gig is 230. Okay, so if I purchase this 1 gig, it's being sold for 230. That's per gig. So what it means is this, that this gig is sold for 230. Now, how do we now make profit? Are you getting it now? How do we make profit from this particular business? It's very simple. All you have to do is to look for people that will need this data. Okay, it can be a friend, it can be a family, it can be a family, friends, and of course so many people need data every day so that they can stay online. Okay, so all you have to do is to look for people around you, your place of residence, any place at all, and then market to them that you are actually selling data. Okay, now what you need to do is to look for a format, and I'm going to give you that format, so don't skip this video. Okay, look for a format of your sale amount. Okay, most retailers out there are selling this gig. We are going to look at how to sell it for 1 gig for like 300, but we are not going to sell that as a user. Okay, if you really want to make money from this, so since this you are getting it at 230 from data mobile, now what I want you to do is to sell at 250. So what you have to tell you people that around you is that I'm selling MTN gig from 1 gig to any amount, but the 1 gig is 250 naira. I believe you are getting what I'm saying. So for instance, if someone want to buy 1 gig, you simply tell the person that 1 gig is 250. So when the person pays you 250, you come here and buy 1 gig, which is now sold at 230. So each gig you are selling will be making you roughly, what you have to do is to remove, that's 250 minus by 230, so you are left with 20 naira. So per day you need to sell at least 10 you need to sell at least 50 worth of gig to make 1,000 naira in a day. Okay, 50 worth of gig, which is very very possible. I don't know whether you're getting it. If you really want to make this sale to happen, kindly contact us on WhatsApp 081 30 37 446. There is also other means at which you can make this sale to happen. Okay, there is also more ways you can advertise this business as a vendor to be able to make so much money into this. But the formula is very simple. You have to sell up to 50 gig a day to make 1,000 naira every day. And if you now times 1,000 times by 30, it's going to give you 30,000. So that is where we get the format of how to make 30,000 naira by spending just 230 naira per gig you are buying from us. And of course, you are selling it at rate of 250, making a profit of 20 naira per gig sold, and you have to sell 50 gig per day. But even if you could not be able to sell up to 50 gig, even if it is 25 gig per day, or even if you don't sell up to 25 gig, but a day comes you sell up to 500 gig per day, it is still the same thing. But the thing is the flow of cash is what we're looking at, and the formula at which you can be able to do, so that you can know the strengths and weakness of this business. Most average in Nigeria makes roughly 15 to 20,000 naira as a monthly salary. So if you are able to get up to 30,000 naira or even 15,000 naira from doing this side hustle business, I think it's very profitable. Remember, this is not like maybe you are setting up a website or anything. You just register for free, fund your account with 230 naira or bigger than that. Okay, for you not to waive charges, I recommend you fund with a reasonable amount. For instance, you can start with 2,000 naira. Once you exhaust the wallet, then you fund again. So let me just quickly show you how to buy data, which is very important, because after you must have found your wallet, you select the gig you want to buy, and then of course you put the phone number in which you want to subscribe the data on. Okay, so I'm going to do a live transaction so that you can be able to follow along the line. Make sure you don't make mistake on the phone number, because if you make any single mistake, the data will be delivered to another person altogether. I don't know whether you're getting it. So do not make any kind of mistake at all, because if you do, the data will be sent to another person, because this is automatic system. So I will just enter the number and then I'll click on continue. I must have logged in. I must have received the money from the client that want to buy this data, and then I will select the gig you want to buy, and then of course I will proceed. If the person want to buy 2 gig, you are making times 2. That means self making 20 naira per gig. If you are selling at 250, you'll be making 40 naira for that transaction, just single transaction. So you just click on pay with wallet. Pay with wallet is an option that will enable you to pay with the amount you have already on your wallet. So you can see successful. The transaction is successful. So I'll just click on continue. So I've just made a purchase of 1 gig worth of data to that particular line. So that is exactly how you make profit. So you can see I was charged 228 naira. So it is not actually 230 that I'm being charged. I'm charged less than that, because the system says that once you buy any product, you'll be making 2% cash back. So that 2% cash back, let's call it the money that we just revenue. That's things that you just be making little money. Imagine if you are selling up to that 50 gig per day. That means you'll be making extra 100 naira from this, and this can cover your charges for your wallet funding. I don't know whether you're getting it. So that's exactly how you make profit, make so much money from this business. So you can see I have been debited. My initial balance was 260 naira. So my final balance now is 232.5 naira as my wallet balance. So this business pays itself. It is not a business that you ask questions whether this thing is working or not. The only thing I did in this video is to walk you step by step on how you can start this business, and of course the processes in terms of buying the product, and of course how to fund your wallet, how to place order, and how to analyze the business in terms of how much to charge your clients. If you wish to charge them more than even what I have said here, for instance, you can decide to charge more than, maybe like say you just charge 217 per gig, you are still in order. Even if you charge 280, you are still going to make much profit, because this business is a business that sells itself. As I said earlier, it's not a business that is not working. It's a business that is there to change life. So get started right away. Register for free. Use the link in the description of this video, which is you can log into datamobile.com.ng, sign up a free account, fund your wallet, then get your clients ready. If you don't know how to get your clients, as I said before, chat us on WhatsApp 081363746, and of course we're able to guide you on how to get a lot of clients. But before you do that, you must have registered, fund your wallet, before we can attend to you in terms of getting clients. So do not come disturbing us on WhatsApp. Sir, how do we get clients? No, we only attend if you're a customer. So if you're a customer which have registered and found their wallet, you just simply come to WhatsApp, tell us your registered email or phone number. We'll trace it, and of course if you discover that you have registered an account with us and you have funded your wallet, we now attend to you, giving you a format to get so many clients at the same time. So this is how you start this business, data reseller business in Nigeria, and make so much money. I remain your host, Mr. Shedrak. See you at the top. Remember, subscribe, like, share this video, so whenever a video like this is released, you'll be first to be notified by YouTube that videos like this have been dropped by Electrical Business TV. So get started right away, guys. This is a business that says itself. This telecom business is a side hustle business, something you do not need so much money to start, but a little money to start. 2,000 naira is enough for you to start this business. Even 1k is even enough. Okay, so you don't need, all you need is to fund your wallet. That's the only money you ever spend. And once you have funded your wallet, you are good to go. So get started, guys. Remember my quote: see you at the top. I don't want to see you at the bottom because I don't like being at the bottom. Thanks and God bless. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.